What's up, everybody? It's Jake here. I'm going to talk to you today about increasing foam on one of our fillers. So we have a couple different set points that we're going to be changing. Our throttle here is going to be the delta P between the tank and our cans. So our tank right now, we're running a Pilsner today. It's carved to about 275. So we've increased our PSI in our tank to 35 PSI. So with our throttle at 4.3, our cans are getting pressurized to 30.7. So with that pressurization, whenever we are raising that throttle and we're increasing the delta P in the can, we're creating agitation, which in turn is going to create more foam. On the back side of that, we have our sniff settings. How long is the sniff open and how open is it? For the choke throttle, our range is going to be 0 to 40. 40 is going to be all the way closed, 0 is all the way open. The more pressure we keep in that can at the end of the fill cycle, the more foam we're going to create. Those are your two options as far as increasing foam on your filler.